Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 53, how to set dynamic SMTP detail in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this available SMTP table and user table. First of all, this click this user table and this is a login. Let's login. This first of all, this login admin@gmail.com login. This my project is available gem directory inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's command prompt open cmd, and this directory inside this command prompt is a open this PSP artisan server and enter, and this URL is a copy and hit this my browser. Successfully working. Find this latest version. Let's admin login. This admin login, let's copy this and paste here. Password is a 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Good. Let's click this SMTP setting. This SMTP, click this SMTP, and this is a SMTP is a update. This SMTP update in this database, this SMTP table inside. This is a update step by step. This is a previous two video is a done. This is a update in this database name. This Apple SMTP, this SMTP host name, and this is a inside this update, and this .env file is a dynamic set. This is a .env, and this is a dynamic implementation. This is a not use password and this is not use. Let's close this, and this dynamic set. This is SMTP. This first of all, this app, this is a app inside this provider inside. This is a app service provider. This is a file is a open app service provider, and this table is already implementation SMTP table is a this model is already create. This is a model inside. This is a available this model SMTP model. This is a SMTP model is available. This model is a copy, and inside this is a this inside include this model is a step by step implementation. Use app models and paste here. Save file. Let's use config and save file. Config successfully. Config is a implementation, and this registration as it is, and this pagination is already implementation. Next is this new variable. Create variable name is a mail setting. This new variable create is equal to this copy, and this only simple. This is a variable copy. This copy already created. This created. Otherwise, this is a find one, only one. This is a one is available. This one, and this one is available. This ID is a one. This ID is a one. Inside this two, so inside this is a two is a set. This one mail setting. Save file, and this is a variable create. If copy and paste here, and this array create $data new variable create $data, and this is a array create. First of all, this drive means config inside this is a mail file is available. This mail file. This first of all, this is all successfully. This is a .env file inside. This is already implementation. This is a step by step implementation drive, and this config and this database inside. This already copy. This is a drive. Otherwise, this drive is a copy and paste here in this inside. This paste is equal to blank. Second is available. This is a open database, and this is a port. This port is a copy, and this is inside this is available this port copy and paste here. No, port must not a host name, host what port, paste here. This username and password, this mail is a username, password successfully all set form, and this is a paste here, and this is a close. Inside this new variable create app name. This app name is available this database.env file open. This is a app name. The same name is a app name. Inside this is not available name. Let's check this name. App name is available. Let's config, otherwise this by default name is a selected name, not available. Let's name is a set by default name. Open in this array file, click this, and this name, close, config this config is a set. Let's copy this config, and this inside this set, this is already set, use config, copy and paste here config, set this app name, and this same name is a copy, and this paste here, and this name set, and close this. Config, the same name is a copy and paste here, config set mail, and data pass, this copy and $data pass, and this is a close. Please writing this step by step all set. Let's inside this implementation, this is a dynamic data is a get data successfully set. Let's copy this variable inside this drive name. Drive name is a mailer. This drive name is available this mailer. The same name is a copy and paste here inside this paste here mailer, save file, and this comma. This again this copy, paste and paste, and this is a host name, port name is all name is available this database inside this host name, copy inside this paste, and this close host name, this port, let's port copy, paste here, this encryption, and this is a dynamic step by step value set. This is a username, last is available password, this password, and last is a set. This is a app name. This same name is a copy, this copy and paste here app name. This is a comma separate, last is a remove, not use, and this is a app name. This inside this to implement this address and name, this single, this app name is available database inside this. Let's check, this is a app name. Successfully app name is a set. Let's from inside this is a set this address and name, paste here, and this copy, paste here and this copy and paste, and this mailer form and app name, mailer form, this mailer form, and this is a app name, last is a app name, set. Save file successfully. Please writing this file successfully. Set this. First of all, this SMTP model inside this find one data, this drive name, host name, port name, encryption, user, password, form, address, and this all data is a get this dynamic implementation. This successfully this file is a working done, and .env file inside this is a remove. This is a remove. This is a not working, but this remove, otherwise save file in this find working as it is good working. This any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. Any doubt, so please contact inside this. And this my official channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon inside this follow all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.